please keep your videos on. Okay, amazing. You already look so tired. Are you sure you're ready for yoga practice? I want to see some bright eyes and a big smile so that I know that I can keep some yoga challenges on you and give you all those challenges. Are you ready for yoga challenges? My class always have yoga challenges. How many of you are ready for it? If I see some faces like this, then I'm not sure if you're going to do all the challenges. So how many of you are ready for the challenge? If you are ready, show me big 2 thumbs up. Okay, I can see most of you are ready. Super. I have my friend with me today, and she's going to be doing some partner yoga. So do you have your mother with you today? Yes, around? Yes. Okay, everybody's so happy when I say, because today being Mother's Day, we're not going to leave our mother alone for some time. We're going to have her also, and she's going to be doing some yoga with us. And that's why I have Gauri with me here. And she's my friend. She loves doing yoga. She also stays here at Eco Village with me. Gauri, come. Yeah. So she loves doing yoga. And whenever we do partner poses, she's going to be my partner. And we're going to do some poses together. So are all children and their mummies ready for the class today? Power packed yoga class? No? Okay, in case if your mother is not around, don't worry. We still do some yoga and some fun. Okay? Can I see all the mummies also on the screen? Okay, I can see Shreya's mummy. And I don't know whether our other mummies are hiding. I can see Parth mama is there. Okay. Then I can see Bhumi. I can see Siddhika. Am I pronouncing? Okay, Siddhiksha. Is it right? Kind of. Thank you. Okay. Oh, I have so many mummies on the screen. I wish I can take all the names, but happy Mother's Day to all. And I have one special friend also with me from UK. She's Naika, and she's also going to be part of our whole journey in kids yoga. So Naika, I'm going to quickly take few minutes and spotlight you so that they all can meet you. Just give me a second. Where is Naika? Yes, she's here. Okay, just a minute. Okay. So Neka was here with us at GEV, and what I know is she's really loves teaching kids. So she's going to be there. Oh, I think she's already on a spotlight, is it? Okay, cool. So can you see all of, yeah, can all of you see her? Great. So she's also going to be there as our teacher and going to design some amazing games for all of you. So you see our yoga class is going to be very different. It's not going to be just doing some asanas every day, moving the body, but you'll have a lot of yoga challenges. You'll have so many interesting games and so much of mindfulness activities. So hoping that you all are ready today. So for those who are with your mamas today, we're going to do some amazing partner yoga. Okay. And along with partner yoga, we're going to do some breathing together. We're going to play some game together. Okay. So before I start the class, I'm stuck now here. Why am I stuck? And that brings me to how do we open the class? I have a password for my class. That's why I'm not able to start the class. You see, I'm just talking and not able to open the class. My yoga class has a password. Do you want to crack the password? Do you want to know the password of the class? The password of this class is Omkar. Unless and until all of us don't chant 3 rounds of Omkar, the class is just not going to get open. You see, that's a problem with my classes. So we all have to chant 3 rounds of Omkar together. And when we chant Omkar, we take up a specific mudra with our hand. And that's very easy. You see, I'm going to teach you this mudra, which is very nice for you. And how you do this. Okay, now everybody is here with me? Yes? Thumbs up if you're here with me. Let's check out who's there in the class today. Oh, so many of you. You can also do this with me and check out who's there in the class and who's around you. Oh, your mommy is around you. Maybe your father can also join. I don't mind. There's so many people around us. Okay, superb. And this is what is called as Jnana Mudra in yoga. Our binoculars becomes our mudra. You see? So this is how you're going to sit now. You all are sitting in a cross-leg position. So Gauri, can you show them sitting in a cross-leg position? Go a little behind. Yes. So you see, she's in a cross-leg. And now, Gauri, look around. Make your binoculars. And now place these binoculars on your knees. See, our binoculars becomes our fantastic yoga mudra. Very good. Now, everybody now, you can go back to your yoga mats and sit like Gauri in a cross-leg position. And very, very important. Now, you all have seen puppets? Yes? Thumbs up if you have seen it. Let's become puppets for now. How do the puppets do? They dance. They have strings attached. You remember it? The puppets have strings attached and we can move them. Let's see. I'm attaching strings to you and how will they move? Everywhere and anywhere, right? Okay, good. So now imagine. Okay, I want you all to imagine that you all are puppets here in the class. Okay? And Gauri is also a puppet. I'm also a puppet. Your mamas are also puppet. So now you have 3 strings attached on you. Okay. So one string is on top of your head. Okay. And another 2 strings are on your shoulders. Okay. And now we are going to use these strings to sit properly in the yoga class. So Gauri, I'm going to pull this string which is here. So all of you now do it self. You can also do it on yourself. Pull the string which is on the head. Come on, everyone. And when I pull this string, I come up straight. Ah, what a magic. And now I'm like a straight yogi sitting in the class. Let's do it once more. Pull the string which is here and put it up. Ah, I'm straight. Wow. And now I'm going to push these strings down. The strings which are on my shoulders, I'm going to bring them down. Oh, my shoulders are down and I'm sitting straight like a yogi. Fantastic. And now you put your binocular, your Jnana Mudra on your lap. Let's enter the password to start the games now. It's getting late. We have to play so much in our yoga class today. Let's get started. Everybody, if you don't chant Omkar, the class will not open. So let's make sure everybody chants Omkar in the class. So this is let's start. Okay, close your eyes. The yoga challenge number 1 today is to keep our eyes closed throughout when we chant Omkar. So breathe in before your Omkar. Breathe in. Now we're going to generate some warmth in between the palms. So who wants to create some energy? I want lots of energy. You want to feel the warmth in your palms? Let's rub our palms together. Do you feel heat and warmth in your palms when you rub it? Yes, I feel it. Wow, it's a nice energy ball I'm going to create with my warmth. I'm going to place this warmth on my face. And slowly bring my hands down. Very nice. Okay, fantastic. So I want all the mummies to also come on the screen now for the first warm-up activity that we're going to start. So see, as soon as we enter the password, the class begins. Now I'm going to give you an activity here. So all the mummies, you're going to be mirrors. You can move the way you want, any warm-up, any exercise, any asana that you know, or any movement just to move the body. And you all kids are going to watch your mother carefully. So what this challenge is here, Only if you will be focused and you will watch your mama carefully, then you will be able to copy her nicely. So your mummy is going to be your mirror, and you're going to do the mirroring. You're going to exactly do the things what your mother is doing. So I encourage all the mothers to stand up on the mat, do some stretching and etc. I want to quickly show you just to give an idea how to do it. So Gauri, you're just going to copy me the way I do things. Okay. So Govinda, if your mama is in a call, I will help you. I will move. For those who don't have their mothers around today, right now, you can watch me and I am your mirror. Okay. Right. So I'm just going to show you how this works for all the mothers. Okay. So mamas, look at me and see what you're going to do. Gauri, you are a mirror. You're going to copy me exactly. Okay. So now, okay, got it? Okay, so mama, you can have all the right to go creative here. You don't have to be doing perfect asanas or warm-ups. You can do anything that you want to do. So go all out and be creative. So let's see. Okay, so now those who don't have their mothers right now, I'm going to be a mirror for you and you're going to watch me carefully on the screen and copy all the actions. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, good job. And now Gauri is going to be your mirror. So Gauri, come. And you all are going to copy Gauri and I'm going to check you all if you are being good mirrors to your mother or not. So Gauri, you can start any fast or slow movements and let's see if they are able to copy you. Let's see. Okay, Vihan, very good. Sadhvi, doing good. Okay, mamas are being very good teachers now. I want some mamas to go fast now. Let's warm up the body. Go faster. Oh, very good, Bhumi. Good job. Okay. So can you see Gauri? Gauri, go fast now. Jumping jacks. Yeah. Oh, Gauri's in action. Let's see how many of you are able to copy Gauri and do it faster. Okay, good job. Okay, very nice. More. Once more. Something else now. Change the direction. Anything. Yes, can sisters? Yes, sisters can also do, definitely. Oh, she's jogging and jumping. Oh, good. You all are pretty active, huh? All are able to do it so well. Okay, relax. She's also tired. Good job. Okay, now another challenge. So if you can get your mamas, it will be fantastic. Now you are going to be the mirror and your mama is going to copy you. Give tough time to your mama now. Come on. Okay. So if you don't have your mama right now, it's okay. You can still do some action and Gauri will try to copy each one of you. She's going to see on the screen. And Gauri, I'm going to show you one picture and you have to copy them. Okay, so now those who have their mamas here, come on kids. Now it's a time when you are a mirror and you have to do actions and your mama has to focus on you and follow you. Okay, very good. Make sure you're being good to your mama, otherwise she'll never join your yoga class, okay? So who's doing some action which Gauri can follow? Okay, Vihan is doing something, Gauri, you can follow Vihan. Yes, Rakshita, coming to you as well. Ah, she's doing good, Vihan. She's exactly doing like you, see? You're being a good mirror, very nice. Okay, Ruhan. Ruhan, come on, do it. Ruhan, we're going to see you now. Oh. She is doing that. She's doing some hand play. Nice. Okay, good job, everybody. Relax. Come back on your mats. I know you like jumping on the walls. Oh, mamas, I hope you did not have a very tough time there. So, I'm going to give you a nice mantra now. This mantra is not about some Sanskrit shloka for now. This is a yoga mantra. And what is yoga mantra that you should always remember? Not just in the yoga class, but also otherwise. So, what do you do in yoga when you get tired? You know what do we do? Do you know what do we do? What? Shavasana. And another thing, we breathe. We breathe like this. How? We breathe in deeply and then we breathe out through our mouth like a whistling, but we don't whistle. We just do this. Yes, Aradhya, that's correct. We breathe. So like this. Come on, everyone. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Once more, breathe in through your nose. Let's see if everybody can do this. And breathe out through your mouth. Yes, Shui, very nice. We also meditate. So now, will you remember this yoga mantra always? That not just in the yoga class, but even by playing outside some different sports at school, online school, whatever, it's all online now. So with whatever activities you get tired, will you do this breathing? Deeply breathing in through your mouth and breathing in through your nose and breathing out through your mouth. Very nice. And that takes me to a new activity here. There's one more relaxing breath, which we do in yoga, which is called as the sound of a humming bee. So how many of you want to become a bee now? Okay. Okay. And do you know where does the bee go and what does she do? So the bee goes on the different flowers, isn't it? And then she's going to do the humming sound. So now your mama is going to become a flower if you have someone around, or you imagine if you don't have your mama around you, that's okay. You can just walk around imagining that you have many flowers in the class. Okay, so all the mamas, you can be in any pose, in the sitting pose of your choice. If mamas can do Padmasana, then that's like a lotus flower. That'll be too much. If mamas can do, if not, don't worry about it. Okay, otherwise all mamas can be in a lotus pose, that is Padmasana. Padmasana is something like this, but again, it's a caution, word of caution. If you have knee issues, if you're not used to the practice, don't worry. If you have your brother, sister around you, it's okay. They can also be your flowers. Okay. So my flower is going to be Gauri for now. And I'm going to do some humming around her. Okay. So Gauri is in Padmasana, you're my flower. Which color flower mamas want to be? They can visualize. You tell your mamas that you be a pink flower, white flower, red lotus, whichever. You can tell your mamas to be that flower. And now we're going to walk around and make a sound like a humming bee. Yes, you can also make your things flower. For me, when I have things around, I have one chair, I have one sofa. So I'm going to make that all as my flower. You can do that too. Okay. I have a nice dog also with me. Even he can play like a flower. Do you want to see the dog that I have in my room right now? He's resting though. He's a sleeping flower. Do you see? His name is Mangal. And when he gets very tired, he just wants to come inside. So everybody's saying hello to Mangal here. So he's going to be my flower as well. Okay. So now let's begin. So cute. Bhumi likes him. Everybody says hello to him. Okay. So now where is Gauri? Okay. Okay. I'm hiding her. So Gauri is my flower. Mangal, the dog, is my flower. Sofa is my flower. So let's get started. I want all of you to stand up. Okay. Now, she's my cute yellow and red flower. And I'm going to be a humming bee. So I'm going to place my hands here behind. Okay. Like this. Like a flap. I'm going to bend forward. Come on, everyone. All the bees, stand up. Bend your legs and knees slightly, bend forward. And let's make a sound of Now I'm going to go to another flower. Faster. Okay. And now all mamas are going to be flowers. Oh, sorry, the bees. And you all can sit down and your mamas are going to be like a bee making this humming sound with the mouth. So mamas, you know the action, what to do? Very good. Start. So Gauri, come on. You be the bee now. I'm going to be the flower. Clap your hands like this. Ah, good. Okay, relax. Okay, now there's a problem. The bee is very tired. No problem if you don't have a mother. You're done anyways with this. So the bee is so tired now. Both the bees are very tired. So the bee decides to do the humming while in the sitting position. So let's do that now. So let's sit in a nice lotus pose or any pose of your choice. And let's do the humming now. Because the bee is tired, the flower is now sleeping. So the bee decides to do the humming in the sitting position. So let's do it. Take a deep breath in. You may want to close your eyes if you like. That'll be really fun to hear your humming. So let's close our eyes. Okay, very nice, everybody. So do you know what does the humming does do to us, our body? Do you know, how many of you get angry sometimes? I'm sure, don't lie. I want to see all the hands raised up. Yes, that's being honest, right? How many of you get me? Ruhan is like me. That's a very honest reply. Okay, who else? Me. Okay. Me. Everybody's raising the hand. Yes. Everybody gets angry sometimes, right? Okay, and second question. How many of you want to focus more when you study? You want to really be there, remember more, have a very good memory that whatever I study, I should remember so I can write in my exam. Again, all of you, yes? Say thumbs up if you want also a good memory and concentration. Me, again, a big me by Ruhan, right? Okay, so now this humming bee sound is very good for all of you. So remember, okay, now I want everybody away from the screen and not typing anything for a while. Okay, so please everybody go away from the screen and I want you all to just listen to me. Everybody is away from the screen. That's a yoga challenge for now. The yoga challenge is everybody goes away from the screen, no chatting, no typing. Good. So whoever wants to not get angry often, if you want more concentration and memory, you can do this humming bee sound regularly for at least 5 to 7 times. It's easy, right? Did you have fun doing it? Like a bee sound? Yes? So we're going to do around 5 to 7 rounds every day. Yes, everyone? Ready? How many of you will take up this yoga challenge of doing Brahmari every day before studying? Good job. Your mothers are looking at you. If you don't do it, they're going to remind you that you raised your hand in the yoga class. Remember? Okay, now. Okay, so let's go to the next part now. Again, the last challenge that we have for mothers here and their children is the partner poses. Okay, so we're going to do some partner yoga now. If you don't have partner, don't worry. We will still do it, imagining that we have someone next to us. Okay, you can still move your body and have fun. visualizing your mother or visualizing somebody is doing to you. Very good, everyone. So I want all of you get away from the screen and not chatting anything. So now, even if you don't have anyone, it's okay. We will still do some movements. Okay. So let's get started. For those who have partners, can now do the first pose of seesaw. Okay. So for this, we're going to split our legs together. Join the hands and let's come forward and she's going to pull me. Then I'm going to pull her and then she's going to pull me. That's so much of fun. Come on, everyone. Let's get started. For those who are not there, if we don't have a partner, you can visualize someone here. You hold it and just go forward and back. Come on, everyone. Forward and back. Forward and back. Okay, let's go the next step now. Okay, so bring your legs closer, mama and kids. Hold the hands together. Hold your legs. Hold your legs. Okay. Can you see us? Yeah. And now we're going to make a boat. So for those who don't have partners, they need to make their own boats, making it more challenging, okay? So now you're going to lift the leg up like this. And then bring another leg up. Whoa, such an amazing boat. Nice. Come on, do it. And now I'm going to bring my one leg. Let's make it more challenging. One leg out. Then another leg out. And again, I'm going to go back into split seesaw. Okay, good job. Okay, nice. Let me see how many of you are able to do it. You can make your own boat as well if you're alone. Okay, very nice. Okay, let's go for one more partner pose. Yeah, the easy one. For those who don't have partners, you can still do it on your own. Doesn't matter. You're going to do a gate pose. Okay. So for this, you bring this, face the screen. All of you can face forward. Go a little that side. Okay. Now you're going to stretch your leg to the side. Okay. See, you all are you are away from your partner in this position. We're going to make a big gate. Imagine we are entering the palace. We are traveling and we are going to the palace. And we are the protectors of that palace and we have to make a big gate. So we're going to do a gate pose now. And we will be doing a gate partner pose. So let's stretch your leg, right? And now we're going to grab hands together. And becomes our gate. And we're going to close the gate. Very good. For those who don't have partners, can do it alone as well. It's a very nice pose. And now I'm going to open the gate. So we're going to go to the sides and open the gate. Very nice. Again, I'm going to come closer and close the gate. Oops. Yep. Good. Now open the gate. Let's do it first. Close the gate. Open the gate. Close the gate. And open the gate. Very nice. Good job. Okay. And the last pose I'm going to do with my partner or by myself is a tree pose. This is a balancing pose. So we're going to help each other balance ourselves. So let's come up in a standing position here. And from standing position, we're going to hold each other. Fold our legs. Come closer. And then join our hands in Namaste. And you can keep one hand on your waist and balance. Very nice. Change the leg. Is it possible? Yeah. Woo, this is more challenging. Okay, good job, everybody. Okay, I have an amazing game now. So thanks to all the mamas for your enthusiastic participation. And it's not just today, but try to do yoga with your kids every time. Only if you do, they'll get more inspired to do it. Of course, you can hang around if you want, but now I'm going to the next game, especially for children. Yes, Arjun, you can drink water, but don't drink it too much because we're going to move our body a little bit. You can just have a sip if you are very tired. So thanks to all the mamas. If you want, you can still hang out and see our class. And now we're going to do the next favorite. Do you know what is a favorite activity that I take in my class, which everyone loves? Anybody here has attended the previous class? Okay, Jyotsna, welcome. I have a special game with me. You like it? Gauri also loves it. It's called as Yoga Spinner. Yes, Govinda, you are right. I knew you would answer because you have played spin. Yes, Shah. Okay, so do you know what is this spinner? Are you fascinated? Do you want to do this spinning game and do some different poses along with this? Yes, everybody's interested. Oh, Govind already has one with him. Okay, amazing. So you're doing it with every day with spinner? Good job. Very nice. Okay, so Govind already has the spinner. He can help us sometimes if my spinner breaks. Okay, so how does this work now? I'm going to open this and show you what it has. Are you interested to see? Yeah, we're going to play the spinner, Aditi. So when I open the spinner, it has so many yoga cards. Different challenges and different poses are there in this. So wherever my spinner color lands up, if it's blue, I'm going to choose a blue card from this bunch of cards. If it's red, I'm going to choose the red card. If it's green, and white card is interesting because it has partner poses again. So it can come, if it comes, then you have to do the pose with your partner, if you have one, okay? So now, and if you get it on somewhere on this face or yellows, you have a freedom to do pose of your own choice, right? Sounds fun, right? Yes, everybody fascinated to spin? Shall I spin this? Yes, say thumbs up if you're ready for the spinning. Okay, everybody looks super happy. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, on behalf of, I'm going to always take some names and then spin it because I wish you all were here and you should have been doing this and not me. But since it's online, we can do it virtually. So on behalf of Vihan, Sadhvi, Advay, Kirti, Pranavi, Shriya, Parth, Arjun, Govinda, Sidiksha, Anmol, Santosh, Karthik, and Aditi. I'm going to spin this. Ready, everyone? Let's see where we land up. Oh, we got a blue one. Wow. Let's see what the blue card has. Okay, Gauri, let's choose the blue card. Come. Can we choose this? Yes? Okay. So we have this blue card. No, Govinda. In the class, we do it together. When you're doing your own practice, you can use your own spinner. Oh, it's a challenging pose. How many of you are ready for this blue card challenge? Ready? Okay. So this is the pose that the blue card shows. We have to join our hands in Namaste at our back and make our shoulders and arms and super strong, but not in the front. Do you see that girl is sitting behind? So we have to turn our back now to show me the pose. You have to turn your back and do Namaste. Turn around, everyone. Gauri, would you show this also to them? Okay, I'm going to just make a space for Gauri to show us. Yes. Okay, so you see, yeah, Govinda knows this pose. We had this on our spinner before as well, right? Yes. So try to join your hands in Namaste. That's a yoga challenge of the blue card. Go, Govinda. Let's do the pose then. Okay, I can see so many of you doing it so well. Excellent, everyone. You're doing really good. Let your fingers point up. Try. Even if you don't do this today, it doesn't matter. I'm sure with practice, we're going to do it. Come on, everyone. Show me your pose. Very good. Kiran, show me your pose. Very good. Good job, Zui, Mishika, Rakshita. Okay. Well done, everybody. Okay, you did it. Okay, let's go for the next spinning now. Very nice, everyone. Let's clap for ourselves and each other for a good job. This pose really makes your arms, your shoulders super strong. So when you keep writing for a longer time, when you're on the computer for a longer time, this pose is really going to help you to release the pain from your arms, right? Will you remember this pose? Yes? Hands in namaste. Okay, let's go for the next one. Where is my spinner? It's here. Okay. Oh, you see, he changed his position. He wants to do some yoga with you. So he's on the yoga mat now, Mangal. Okay. So now let's get started. Now who's there next? Sidiksha, did I take your name before? So on behalf of Santosh, Karthik, Aditi, Kiran, Dhruv, Mishika, Rakshita, Jui, Bhuvan Shri, Brindavani, Nandita, Aradhya, Siddhant, Danda, Pranavi, Vedant, Vihir and Ayan, Vrishti, Bhumi, Jyotsna, Adi, Dhruvi. Wow, I'm tired. Ruhan, Prataksha, Mahira, Raina, Arnav. Ah, Arnav is also there. I know Arnav already. He's my friend. Okay, so on behalf of all of you, I'm going to spin. Arnav, ready? Okay, then let's do the spinning. Okay, so let's see where the spinning starts now. Ready, everyone? I have to do it a little longer now, so we end up on a different card. Come on, spinner. Give them the toughest pose. They are good children. They know a lot. Oh, we got a green. We got a green on the spinner. So let's see what pose we get on the green. Ready for the challenge? Let's see what pose we get. Come on, let's see. I have some green cards here. Oh, I have a nice pose. I love this pose. Do you want to see what pose I got in the green card? Okay, it's called as Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. Very famous pose in yoga. Very good to make for your strong back. So how many of you do already know this pose, right? Okay, let's go back on the mat and do it. Gauri, will you show us? Okay, then Mangal is already there on the mat. So see, you can all see Gauri doing the cobra pose. Yes, Parth. Okay, Arnav and Parth. Welcome. Mangalange changes position, Bhumi. That's right. He loves, that's his favorite spot. So let's do cobra. You know what? Let's do some sound cobra. Let's give some sound effect to our cobra. How will you do that? Let's do some snake breathing along with the cobra pose. Oh, you all look so dangerous to me when you do this. I'm so scared of all the cobras on the screen. But you're a cute little smiling cobras. Govinda, you're a scary cobra. Okay, very good. Do you know that in Surya Namaskar, we have this pose as well? How many of you want to do and learn Surya Namaskar? It's going to be fun. We're going to do a lot of stories with Surya Namaskar. So when we do Surya Namaskar, we're going to add up some cobras in it and we're going to go to the jungle in our next classes. Yes, I know you already know Surya Namaskar, but I'm going to make it very interesting by taking you to different places to do Surya Namaskar. Okay, can we do one more spinning? Yes? Can we do one more challenge in yoga spinning? Okay, so let's see, where did I stop my names? I think Arnav was there on the screen. Okay. Okay, so on behalf of Purvi, Mrinmay, Kamakshi, Sanvi is in the space, I think, somewhere, all of you. Okay, Arnav is here again. Parth, Naman, I know Naman already. Yes, I know Naman. He was there in the class previously. So let's get started. Let's see what spin we get now. Ready, everyone? So on behalf of all the names that I took, let's go for the next spinning. And here I go. Oh, it stops. Oh, it stops. Let's go for the tough. Let's go for the tough one. Let's go. Oh, it came on the yellow, which means you can do your favorite asana. So you can create, if you don't know asanas, create any shape of your body that you like, and you can do any asana of your choice. Come on, I want to see everyone doing the poses. Very good, Path. You like the boat pose. Shreya, what pose you going to do? Advai, which pose are you going to do? You have to do your favorite pose now. Oh, Advai is doing chakrasan. Vihan is doing tree pose. Very nice. I'm so happy to see all of you. Sadhvi is doing a nice Pawan Muktasan. Oh, Shreya is also in Chakrasan. Tree pose is being done by so many. Arjun is doing something. Anmol is doing Dhanurasan. Govinda is also in Chakrasan. Aditi is trying to balance in the kite. Rakshita is in Chakrasan. What is Karthik doing? Karthik? Oh, Santosh, very nice. Yeah, Himakshi, very good. Oh, look, we have somebody doing Shirshasana also. Jui, very nice. Good. Very good. Chakrasan looks like the favorite pose for all kids. I'm going to do it a lot in our classes. Very good. What is Arnav doing? Purvi, Mrunmai, very good. Kamakshi is also doing the inversions. Arnav, what is your favorite pose? What are you doing? Ah, good. Splits. Wow, superb. Very nice. Thank you, everyone. You are an amazing yogi already. Good job. Let's clap for ourselves and each other for doing such an amazing job. Very nice. Okay. Okay. The manga has again changed his position, by the way. Okay, now last spinning. The dog is well, but in summers he feels a little hot. Ruhani is asking if the dog is not well, but in summers he feels a little tired to be outside. So he likes to be, no, the Mangal is not outside. He just changed his position. See, he's here. Okay, so now the last spinning challenge for today. Of course, we're going to do a lot of spinning challenges throughout our classes and many more yoga games. So now today, on behalf of everyone on this classroom, all of you and Mangal as well, and your mummies who were there in the class, on behalf of everyone, I'm going to now spin the last time for today. Ready? Let's see what pose we get. Let's see if we can get some challenging pose that we can hold. Okay? Let's get started. Which pose do we get? Okay. The spinner. And the spinning is on the green. Let's see again, choose some green card and let's see what do we get. Oh, I have so many green cards. Let's choose what we get. Oh, I got this. Let's see what pose is this. Oh, it's like a forward bend. Wow. Can you do this? All of you? Show me. But we're not going to just do it like this pose. We're going to make some sand. How many of you are feeling slightly hungry? I am feeling actually hungry after jumping so much with you guys. How many of you feel a little hungry right now? Yes, so many of you. How about if I tell you that let's make some yogic sandwiches. Are you ready? Whoa. And you have an option to put everything that you like in your sandwich, as much as cheese that you want. How about that? Whoa, sounds amazing, right? Oh, so everybody's so happy. They're showing me 2. If they had 3 hands, they would have showed me 3 thumbs up now. Okay, so now we're going to make a sandwich with the pose that we are holding. So me and Gauri are going to make the sandwich here. Okay. So this is my one bread and this is my another bread. Okay. And now let's make a sandwich. What do you want? I'm going to put some butter first on my bread. Let's put some butter on the bread. Let's work harder. Let's set it nicely. It should taste really good. Very good. Okay. What else do you want on the sandwich? You know, yogis like to eat vegetables for good health. So I'm going to put some veggies in my sandwich. So I insist all of you should also put some veggies. Where are the veggies? Oh, they're on my left side. Let's go on the left side and grab some veggies. Let's grab some tomatoes. So I'm going to my left side. I'm going to get the tomatoes. Oh, they're so nice. Let's chop them. Chop, 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 chop. Super fast choppers. Oh, they're ready. Let's put them on our sandwich. Okay, good job. Okay, where are the cucumbers? They are on my right side. I'm going to grab the cucumbers. So go on the right side and bring some cucumbers, and now let's chop them. Chop, 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 chop. Move, move, move more. Chop properly. Okay, good. And let's put some cucumbers. Okay, now you have a choice. Whatever veggies you want on your sandwich, grab it from the left, grab it from the right. Chop, 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 chop. Put more. Oh, somebody said they want paneer also in their sandwich. So if you want paneer also, let's grab some paneer. Let's chop it nicely, square cubes, and make it a very healthy. And now I'm going to put cheese. So we're going to grate the cheese on our sandwich. Oh, this is so amazing. My mouth is watering already. Oh, my sandwich is ready. Do you want to put some other masalas in your sandwich? What a request. Oh, chocolate and peanut butter. Do you want to make PB&J? You can also do that. You can add some peanut butter, jam. So let's grab everything from the left side and the right side. Whatever you want, chop it or grate it, put it in your sandwich. Oh, the sandwich is loaded now. And now the time has come. We're going to close this sandwich. Oh, very nice. Ah, the sandwich is ready. And I'm going to offer it to the Lord. And once I bring it back from offering, and then I'm going to enjoy the sandwich. So bring your leg up and let's enjoy eating the sandwich. Oh, mine is tasty. How is yours? Superb. I can almost taste everything in it. Right from chocolate to tomatoes. It's a mixture of everything. And some cheese. Oh, I think I'm not full with half. I'm going to eat another half because it's so tasty. So, you like it, Gauri? Yes. It's nice, right? I'm so happy. So happy and the sandwich. Oh, my belly is so full. So what usually happens is after eating, I feel very sleepy. So I know you're not sleepy, but now the time has come when we go on a nice magic yoga mat ride. How many of you want to go to a magic ride right now? You know what? The best part about this ride, you don't have to worry about the lockdown. You don't have to wear a mask. You don't have to worry, no social distancing, nothing. Of course, remember, you have to do all this when you are going out now. But in the yoga class, when we go on a magic ride, we don't have to worry about all these things. So now what you have to visualize is you all have to lie down on your yoga mats and imagine that your yoga mat and this yoga mat is magical. And it is going to take us to the place that we want to go. We've been really waiting to go. It can be any place. I know one child in my class always wants to go to a Legoland, Chocolate Land, Paneer Land, or space, or Mayapur, Vrindavan, or any other nice temple, or at the friend's house, mama's house, auntie's house, so friend's house. So its choice is yours. So now the time has come that we all take our magic yoga mat ride and go to our favorite place. Okay? So you all can now lie down on your mat in Shavasana. What is Shavasana? When you lie down on the mat with your legs apart and arms away from the body. Okay? Thank you so much. So Gauri is going to go now. So we're going to say bye-bye to Gauri. She's also going to actually go on the magic carpet ride. So is also going. Thank you, Gauri. See you next time. So now everybody lie down on your back. Yes, wherever you want to go. You want to go to Golok Vrindavan? You can go to Golok Vrindavan. No, everybody has entry in Magic Ride. So you all lie down on the mat. The challenge for this now is you all have to lie down and you should be stable. Okay? You should be very stable on your mats. You should not be moving a lot. You can keep your eyes closed. And now I'm going to take you there. Everybody please lie down. You don't have to even look at the screen now. You can go away from the screen. You can close your eyes. You can just listen to my voice now. You don't need to look at the screen for some time. Very good, everyone. Wonderfully, you all are lying down. It's so nice to see you all lying down. You don't have to look at the screen. Again, I'm saying you need to close your eyes. Just relax. And now imagine your yoga mat is a magical yoga mat and it takes off from where it is right now. How amazing is that? It takes off only if you are not moving and if your eyes are closed. So now your mat takes off and takes you off from the window above your house. You see all the trees and the birds also waving you hello. You can see your own house from the top. And now you're flying above and up. You are in between so many billowy and soft clouds. The wind is passing over your face. You're feeling so nice and relaxed. You feel so joyful to go to your favorite place and you're very close to your favorite place now. And now finally your magical yoga mat lands to the place that you always wanted to go. You've been waiting to go there. So now finally your magical mat has landed on your favorite place. Now with your closed eyes, try to see that place. See if you can find some more people there. Do you hear something on that place? Can you smell something? Just being at this place, you feel so joyous, happy. You're still there, enjoying every bit of being at that place. Oh, you are so happy and relaxed to be at that place. And now, again, you sit back on your mat with a joyful experience of being at your favorite place. Now your mat again takes off. You are flying among the soft billowy clouds, the wind caressing your face. And then again, slowly, very slowly, you come back to the same place where you started your practice. You still don't get up. You still are on your mat because your mat is softly landing on the floor where you started the practice. And now you can slowly move your fingers and your toes. Slowly bring your legs together. You can now stretch your arms up above over your head, enjoying the experience being on the magical ride on the mat. And now slowly release your hands to the sides again and coming up to a seated position. And now if you want to share, you can quickly type, where did you go? And how did you feel? Okay, somebody went to Vaikunta. Vaikunt went to Vaikunta. Where else did you all go? Impress Mall for shopping. Aradhya went to Goa. Mrinmay went to Paris. Ruhan went to Swarg. Okay. Ottawa. Ridan went to Ottawa. Chocolate Samosa Land. I'm loving that. Karthik went to Pizza Land. That's another favorite. Vijayanagar. Hemang went to Golok Vrindavan. Aditi went to Golok and Radhakrishna Ras. Arjun went to, I missed that, sorry. Siddharth went to Switzerland. Advai went to Dubai. Jyotsna went to Grassland, Italy Car Factory. Bhuvi went to Golok Vrindavan. Kiran went to Hong Kong. Vrishti went to Manali. Chandrika went to Vrindavan. Prajwal went to Sri Lanka. Sadhvi went to the beach. Adi Lakshman went to Mauritius. You went to all your family members. Radhakund went to Mayapur. Kamakshi, swimming pool in the temple. Spiritual words, Purvi. See all. Lago City, that's another favorite for all. Tandyland, UK. Golok Vrindavan. Race with faster cars. Supercar show, Vedant. Kavita. Veer and Yan went to space, all Disneylands, and favorite movies and shows. Awesome. Vrindavan. You saw Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Awesome. Went to Hong Kong. Brahmalok. Ruhan went to Brahmalok. Nebraska. Very good. You saw Krishna. How lucky is that? Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for your wonderful response and how nicely you went to different lands. You see how much it's possible with yoga to visualize and imagine things. Did you have to wear a mask before going anywhere? No. Yeah. Aradhya went to a big hotel as well, right? So see, it's wonderful. It's very nice, everyone. So we have this workshop. I'm sure most of you already, oh, Bermuda Triangle. Wow. See, in your dreams, when you go to Bermuda Triangle, you don't get stuck, you come back. Very nice. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for sharing with me different ideas. This is what we're going to do every time. I'm going to take you on different rides, space, maybe sometimes jungle, safari, everywhere. We're going to do some fun yoga. Oh, you went to Govardhan Eco Village. You came here actually. I am at Govardhan Eco Village right now. So you almost came here in your dream. Very nice. India Park border. Ah, I'm so amazed to see everybody's visualization. Yes, Arjun, please go ahead and drink water. So thank you so much, everybody. We have this ongoing fun yoga classes going on. So if you love today's class, and if you want to continue, we're going to learn different poses. We're going to have different yoga challenges, yoga games. And you all are most welcome to join in these classes, which will be on the weekends, on Saturday and Sunday. So I'll be so happy to see each one of you on every Saturday and Sunday, where we pep up our practice. We do different yoga challenges and play different games. Okay. So thank you, everybody. I'm signing off now. I'm going to see you tomorrow. So everybody's missing Mangal. I'm going to give you darshan of Mangal. So Mangal is mostly in our kids yoga classes. He somehow loves the energy that we have in kids yoga class, but he's always sleeping nowadays because he finds it very hot outside. Do you see him sleeping? Sadhu, Mangal? Hey, say bye to everyone. He's sleeping. Wait, go ahead. Sadhu. That's his style of saying hello. Oh, he's stretching. See, even he's doing some yoga with us. So we're going to learn the dog pose and cat pose as well in the next class. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for your enthusiasm. I love you all. You've been very nicely doing yoga. Please continue your practice and see you all also for the upcoming workshops. Bye, everyone. Hare Krishna. Thank you so much.